Welcome students, today's lesson is division and subtraction. Success criteria for today. Student understands that you can use subtraction to solve division problems. Student used subtraction to solve division problems correctly. Student zoomed their teacher to check their answers. So I can understand the relationship between division and subtraction. Let's first talk about what it means to divide with a little bit of picture help. So I can divide 20 into groups of 4, and I will have 5 groups altogether. So let's do that. I'm going to make 20 dots in groups of 4, and we'll see how many groups I make if it's really 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and how many groups do I have altogether? It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. Okay, so the number sentence would look like
Anthony Alvarez.
20 divided by 4 equals 5. So the division sign is a little line with 2 dots, one on top, one on the bottom. And then I can say 20 divided by 4 is 5. I'm also actually allowed to say 20 divided by 5 is 4. Kind of like with multiplication, these last 2 numbers are interchangeable, but we can talk more about that later in the year. For now, let's keep it simple and say 20 divided by 4 is 5 is how I would write this problem out in a number sentence. Let's try one more example with a picture. I can divide 15 into groups of 5, and there are 3 groups. Go ahead and see if you can do this one on your own. I want you to write 15 dots and make them into groups of 5 and see if it's true that there are 3 groups. Just like that until you get to 15. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I've got groups of 5 dots in each group. 1, 2, 3 groups of 5. 15 divided into 5s, there are 3 groups of them. Okay, so how are division and subtraction related? There's another way to solve a division problem besides drawing a picture. So if I have this picture again, let's take a look at it. There's another way to solve. Okay, so I have 20 dots here and there. I've made them into some groups for myself, but I can, if I don't want to make groups, I can subtract 4 from 20 and find out how many groups I have that way instead. So I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times did I subtract 4 from 20? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can do that this way too. 20 minus 4 is 16. 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. And then I can just count how many times did I take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I took away 4 5 times. So I did 20. I took away 4. I did that 5 times. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So let's do a few of these together. We're going to do 18 divided by 6. So I'm going to take away 6 from 18, and I'm just going to keep doing that until I get to 0. 18 minus 6. Go ahead and do that now. What is that? 8 minus 6 is 2. 1 minus nothing is 1. And then we'll do 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6. I can count backwards. I can do subtraction with regrouping. I'm going to do subtraction with regrouping. 12. Yeah, okay. So I got to do 12 minus 6 still. Let's count backwards here. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. That's a doubles fact. Okay, and then I have 6 minus 6 is 0. Now I'm going to go back and circle how many times did I subtract 6. 1, 2, 3. So 18 minus 6 is 3.
Anthony Alvarez.
Okay, let's do 36 divided by 4. 36 divided by 4. So we'll do 36 divided by 4 by taking away 4 as many times as we can, and then we'll see what our answer is. 36 minus 4 is 32. 32 minus 4 is, figure this one out. 12 minus 4 is 8. 2 minus nothing is 2. Let's take 28 and put it up here. 28 minus 4 is what? 8 minus 4 is 4. 2 minus nothing is 2. 24 minus 4 is 20. 20 minus 4 is 16. 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So you should get down to 0 on these problems that we have today. Let's go back and check. How many times did I take away 4? So I need to circle all the minus 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 36 divided by 4 is 9. Before we do this last one, let's talk about how you can check your work on these. The opposite of division is to multiply. So if I take the 3 and I multiply it times the 6, I should get back to my original number. So when we did this, we have 18 dots, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try this again. So just like we can subtract 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, we can subtract 3. To get down to 0, we can take 18 divided by 3, and we can do that 6 times. We can also multiply to get back, so we can add 3 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll go back to 18. So if you multiply the last two numbers, the little numbers, you should get the original large number as your answer. So we said 36 divided by 4 is 9, so 9 times 4 should be 36. All right, so your last one is 48 times divided by 6. I want you to try that one on your own. Pause now and see what you get. (48) divided by 6. 48 minus 6 is 42. Minus 6 is 36. 36 minus 6 is 30. Minus 6 is 24. 24 minus 6 is 18. 18 minus 6 is 12. Minus 6 is 6. Minus 6 is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 48 divided by 6 is 8. Now is 6 times 8 48? Do we do that right? Well, if you know your 8 facts and your 6 facts, that you will see that that is in fact correct. Okay, try these, write down your answers, and I will give you the answers to check your work. Pause here. Okay, welcome back. 36 divided by 9, that's 4. You can take away 9 4 times from 36. 40 divided by 5 is 8. 34 divided by 17, that's just 2. You can only take that away 2 times. Here's your exit ticket for today. I want you to share with me your answers to 48 divided by 6, 36 divided by 2, it's going to be a lot of subtracting, do your best to keep it straight, and 42 divided by 6. Okay? Share that with your teacher via Zoom, and then your teacher will let you know what to do next today.